Law enforcement officers were dispatched to a multifamily residence after receiving a report of gunfire. Upon arrival, an officer observed two apartment doors open with a group of people gathered near the entrances and directed everyone to step away from the building. While the investigation was underway, a woman identified as Charlese was overheard making threatening remarks from the public sidewalk.
Where?
Traffic on Division
Where's the gun? Come out now! Come out now! Come out now! Come out! Come out! Come out! Face away from me! Face away from me! Who else is it?
This man is threatening me.
Okay. Did somebody get shot?
Come out here and shot a gun at me, man.
Did somebody get shot?
Stop talking to me. Stop.
No shooting. Just a 22.
Every day, my last night he knocked at my door. Last night this man just knocked at my door.
Alright, chill out.
I'm awake in my house.
Just a 22. No shooting.
Hey, stay out of the house. Bro, stay out of the house. If I have to come get you, there's going to be a...
There's no problem. I know when I called you.
I know, but I don't know that, and I'm trying to figure it out. I'm back in the house, so I need you to relax.
Go up front, please, for me. Go up front.
It was kids back here.
Come on, babe. Come on.
We live in here.
We see him.
He shot in front of them. Like, he shot down with a little gun. He shot down.
Can I get you guys to go up front? Can I get you guys to talk to that gentleman right there? That police officer right there, though.
Did y'all see a casing or no?
West Palm Beach Police. West Palm Beach Police. Is there anyone in the house? They detained. He pulled out. Said that they were in an argument. That's his neighbors. They were acting foolish and he fired a warning shot off.
Where's the casing?
No idea. Hey, we need to pull all the kids out because there's a zero in the house. When we pull the kids out, there's a zero sitting on the counter. Somebody grabs that gun and shoots a kid.
I'm okay with that.
Okay.
That's fine.
But now that they're out of the room and there's a gun on the counter, we got to make sure everyone stays away from the gun.
Thank you.
And their kids and where everyone's outside. I would hate for us to have pulled you outside and one of your kids grabs the gun and shoots himself. So that's why we're doing that. Okay. Can I have you guys go back out to the front and continue your conversation, please?
Okay, which apartment do you live in? 1 or 2? You live in 1 or 2?
I live in 2.
He a pussy. You don't even know, like, how I play with my feet. Like, you a pussy. And your bitch with all them bumps and lumps and humps.
Is this?
I don't even know
Is
how
she
you
with you or not?
that with all them lumps and humps
She's
and
with
We
you.
was in the same house together.
Okay.
Kid run up to me. I always give their kid ice cream.
Yeah.
I always have ice creams, like, you know, little snacks and
Do you have her
stuff.
14? Yeah.
And I gave him ice cream, and then the parents walked up. But I know last night we had a little conversation because me and him went to something, and I'm like,
Your name is-
okay.
So you guys were hanging out.
What's
out
your name?
here, right?
Yes.
When you say they pulled up, did they like pull up in a car,
I
or they
asked you
just
two
walked
different
up?
They called, they pulled up in that car and came and talked to me.
So what happened?
We came home. There was a bunch of like arguing last night, and they knocked on our door saying that the girl
Between
was
who and who?
the neighbors, as usual. And this
Those two
morning,
over there?
Yeah, this morning.
Between you and
No,
Miss...
we were not involved in their disagreement.
Okay.
This morning we were coming
They
home.
were arguing between the two of them.
Yes.
Okay.
And they knocked on our door trying to drag us into it. This morning we were like, hey, you know, last night was a little crazy. And they were getting upset because we were saying something about it. He stepped in my man's face and right here in the doorstep, and he was like, I need you to move. I need you to move, Steve. Get out of my face. And he was like, what you gonna do if I don't? And what you gonna do if I don't? Get your bitch and go inside. He started acting just real belligerent. And he was being threatened. I'm shaking because we don't go through this every day.
We still have traffic on?
I think so.
And now listen to her. This girl is a problem.
Okay, so fast forward, you guys were in an argument outside. Who
And he
was
just
closing?
wouldn't move, and he was being threatened, and he was like, get out of my face. And he was like, what you gonna do if I don't? And he wouldn't move. He was just like, move, what you gonna do if I don't? Move, what you gonna do if I don't? Just step in closer, inching closer and closer.
Okay, were you in the doorway? Were you outside?
I was standing inside my house on the threshold.
And the door was open?
Yes.
Okay. And where was...
And he was, my man was right here. And Steve
He was
was right where
behind you.
Officer Walker is.
He was
Kinda
behind
like,
you.
no, he was in front of me. I was behind him.
Thomas was... Where was Thomas
I
at?
was he was in front of me. I was
Okay.
behind him.
Okay, and so... So where does this? So where did the gun come into play? You said you were in an argument, then what happened?
And he wouldn't move. He was being threatening. And he said, no, what you going to do if I don't? And he was like, move, move. And then he, after so many back and forths, he pulled it out of his waist and said, I'm going to need you to move. And he didn't. And no one got shot. Eventually, he just got so upset and he walked away. Then he started walking back. It was just...
Okay, when did the gun go off?
When he started walking back.
And what did...
And it went somewhere over there.
Okay.
Could it be Charlese Hagen, Hotel Alpha November?
Ma'am, is your last name?
I was under the impression you said we went to go get pull-ups.
Oh, all of us. Me and the kids, her and the kids. We all left together.
And you all came up. So
Yes,
your
and
kids
we
were
all
outside
came
when this
home.
happened?
No, they weren't. They
So
were going
they
in
made
the
it.
house. Yes,
they made it inside,
inside
and
of
he
the
was
house.
preventing you.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
So you already gave me consent to grab the casing from
Yes.
inside, correct?
Yes.
So I'm gonna have a consent to search form on it.
Okay.
It's just gonna sign. I'll write on there casing only. I'm gonna collect them and take a picture of the gun. I don't want to deprive you of the gun.
No, understand.
And then we'll go from there. Okay.
Understand.
Can I talk to your wife just for a second, real quick? Your female neighbor. Are you in fear, like for
Yes.
your life, because she's your neighbor and the things that she's been saying?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. That's all I needed. Thank you.
Okay.
So, we came here, an investigation was done, okay, based on what you're telling me, what he stated, the witnesses, he's not going to be arrested at this time, okay? She is going to go to jail.
For what?
Drunk and disorderly, and assault.
She ain't insult nobody.
She did. We
Who
were
did
all
she
here to
insult?
witness it.
Who did she insult?
It's going to go through the court systems, and you can
Who
go
did
online
she
to
insult? She didn't insult nobody. She didn't put her hand on nobody.
It's an
She
active
was been standing in the
investigation,
sidewalk.
and you can request the
Exactly. She didn't insult nobody. She been standing right here in the sidewalk.
it'll go to the court system. That's all I can say on it. I'm going to write an entire probable cause affidavit detailing everything, which will be available to you whenever the case is closed.
This is crazy, man.
Is there any other questions you have?
I mean, besides, this is completely bullshit.
Well,
This is-
no, a gun was shot. It's not bullshit, okay?
You're right. A
Whatever.
gun was shot, and the person that shot the gun at me, y'all seen, and y'all let him go home.
Avoid any future contact with him.
Avoid.
All right, you're free to go. All right, come on, step out. Step out
Where are we going?
into my car.
All right, calm down, because you act like you want to put your hands on me.
No, but
All right, so calm down. Don't just open the door and say, step out like that. All right, talk to me right.
step out, please.
No, at the end of the day, you're a human being, so talk to me right.
Step out, please.
Whether I'm in handcuffs or not, because you're not going to drag me.
What's on your feet?
What's on your feet?
All right, whatever. I don't give a
Listen, don't let that kid put his hands on me.
I do not want to put my hands on you. I just want you to go in the cell. You're right. Listen, the faster I can get to typing and I'll argue with you, the faster you get out in the end. So if you cooperate, you could probably be out by tomorrow morning. Okay, so I've asked you to go in the cell once. We've told you to go in the cell.
You never asked me.
Will you
never
please?
asked me.
I've asked
Okay,
you
come on,
multiple
let's
times.
go.
Come on,
Come on.
let's go.
Come on.
Come on, stand up. Stand up. No, okay. You don't want to stand up.
Okay, cool. Grab another shoulder.
And y'all got the camera, right?
Yes.
All right, so get on me like this.
You're gonna get another charge. You're gonna get another charge.
Call a woman. I want a woman present.
Go get somebody, man.
Call a woman.
we'll get
You're not
somebody.
going to drag me like this.
We'll get somebody.
All men around me. All men. Call a woman. Just to see what's going on. You're not going to drag me and turn waist, grab my legs like that. Shit you wish you could do in your little pencil thick ass bitch.
You're right. If you do not want us to put our hands on you, go in the cell.
How can I go in there?
You said what?
How can I go in there?
Well, you could have stood up and walked.
How can
but-
I go in there? You just dragged me.
Okay, so stand up.
Don't touch me. You, per se. Don't touch me. Don't, I said you! Officer, please don't let him touch me. I don't want him touching me.
You don't have an option.
Oh, you bring your arm!
Then stand up. Stand up then.
Put your foot on my neck.
Are you
without
done?
choking me.
Are you gonna stand up?
Face
No, you give me a
Face
chance.
that way. Face that
Give
way.
me a chance.
You keep dropping yourself. I'm trying to pick you up. You keep dropping yourself. Come on.
Breaking my arm.
Another charge.
I didn't
That's
even
another
keep-
charge.
It's not a charge.
That's another
I didn't
charge.
touch you.
Now you have a
I
felony.
didn't touch
Congratulations.
you. You lucky I didn't touch you.
Congratulations.
I wish I would have hit. If you knocked another
That's it.
So, are you present for that?
I'm not going to be present. It's on your kid.
Are you going to fight me?
If it's your phone, I'm tag.
Okay.
14
So stand up.
852 and 854 51. 14
Can you help me?
Last time I helped you, you kicked me. So.
Thank you all. I'm on till 11, 15. You can play to it.
Ready?
Thank you. 14 11.
This way.
16 West Palm, switching to 3. Step 4.
It's over here.
Here.
Yeah. So you're obviously a woman and I'm a man, so I'm not going in there with you. Are we supposed to leave the door open or not? This is probably going on YouTube. This is going on YouTube. Put on like you're praying. Like you're praying, it's more comfortable. Come on. I appreciate it.
Can you tell me what my charges is?
Battery on a law enforcement officer, drunken disorderly conduct, and assault.
On the law.
Yes, ma'am, you kicked me in the nose.
I can hear. I'm asking my charges. I can hear you.
Battery on a law enforcement officer, drunken disorderly, and assault.
Who I assaulted?
You assaulted your neighbor.
Huh?
You assaulted your neighbor in our presence.
Why?
It's on camera.
I never assaulted nobody.
You caused a well-founded fear of.
And you know that's a lie. This is what you guys enjoy around the holidays. Disturbing everybody else's peace. I assaulted my neighbor. And I attacked him and I touched him.
That would be battery.
Did I touch him?
No, that's why you're in charge of assault, because battery means you touched them. But you
I
didn't touch
tried
them.
you.
You made the threat. That's the crime.
While y'all in your person.
What happened?
Oh, I go to bed. Can I use the bathroom, please?
Give me 1 second. I need to call another officer here based
I
on.
don't want to do myself. I don't even care. I do number 2. Officer, I have to go to the bathroom. Keep me locked in here like this is not okay. It already took for the black man to tell you how to put me back in handcuffs because you was about to when I get out of the bathroom. I seen him. The look that he gave you and told you no.
Because you were being
Now I was not being
phone with somebody. I'm not ignoring you.
Can I please use the bathroom, sir?
Very well. Okay.
Can I please use the bathroom? Oh my God! I'm doing everything you bringing over here. Can I use the bathroom? I'm a woman. I'm bleeding. I bear children. Can I please use the bathroom? Come on, that camera.
Can you stop yelling, please?
Can I use the
Can I
bathroom?
explain to you
Or
something?
put me in a room with a bathroom in there.
There
I
isn't
have to
any.
go.
I cannot
Respectfully.
respectfully back. You've battered a law enforcement officer, so can I take you out of that cell?
Do anything. I didn't
You
do
kicked
anything.
me.
You just took me out and let me use the bathroom. You just took me out.
When there was another
You
officer
took
here.
me out.
There's another officer here. Have a seat. The quicker we get to county, the quicker they can give you a female hygiene product. I cannot give you any here. I do not have any.
But I still have to use the bathroom whether you give me a hygiene product or not.
I understand. Another officer has to be here. There was just a shooting. Okay? I'm sorry that it happened when you were here. But all of our supervisors and all of the other officers are trying to look at the man who just shot somebody. Okay? I'm sure you would want the same if you were in that shoes. We have to do the due diligence and give them the opportunity to utilize our resources. As soon as another officer gets here, I will have them come in here so we can let you use the restroom. Please bear with me. I'm not trying to be disrespectful. I have not yelled at you, degraded you. Stand up. Let's go use the restroom.
I can't breathe.
Are you requesting medics?
I think, no, don't request medics because it's going to prolong. I think I'm just having like, I don't know what it is. Like,
1102 West
what just happened. I don't know what just happened.
Okay.
I just collapsed or something real quick. But I'm okay. Don't request medics.
Okay. Do you want to use the restroom or no?
I want to get this process over.
Okay.
I can't. Just give me, please, just give me
Okay.
like 1 minute. I can't get up right now.
Do you need to use the restroom or no?
I do.
Okay.
I can't get up.
Upside down Florida tag.
I need water.
Ma'am.
I'll call an ambulance. Call an ambulance.
Okay. All right.
330.
$1110 West Palm.
1110.
What is your complaint? Asthma, shortness of breath?
West 1110.
Yeah, can you start minutes for booking for my 1015?
What's up, man?
Greetings. So, started with she had to use the restroom. Then she was saying she was actively dripping blood from her period. And then she collapsed, in a very gentle way, which I don't know how that works. She did batter me, just a heads up, but
Hello? What's going on? Are you able to sit up for us? All right, if you go over to that bench, that would be super helpful.
Mom, I can't make it up for it.
I'll help
But
you.
I'm okay. You don't have to. I'm okay.
You don't want our help?
I'm okay.
Okay.
I'm sorry for wasting you guys' time.
Okay.
I don't know what happened. I just collapsed for a second.
okay.
But I do still have to use the bathroom.
Okay, you have to stand up for that.
I can.
Yeah.